I found this pet pop-up tent at a local store called Winco. They're kind of like a larger grocery store. It comes in this little pouch, and it's supposedly for a pet. It's about 27 by 19 by 17. It's a little large, but it works out pretty well for a shelter, like an adventure team shelter tent. Because I don't think you'd really want to put a pet in here. I think a pet would be too big. But, see, it's not too bad. I think I'll get a better base for it because the bottom of this kind of curls in a bit. Kind of set up a quick scene table, a couple of chairs, and some sleeping bags. And it fits in here pretty well. Although I might just make this some sort of command tent. It has these little side pockets here that you could store things, I guess, for the pet. What I like is it has this clear area up here that you can put a puck light or some sort of light source and have the ability to light the tent. Since I have an old cell phone, I could use the light off the old cell phone and light this tent up, which I think is pretty cool. And because it's clear, it diffuses the light some, and I think it looks pretty neat. I think it'd be a great little adventure team command shelter or something like that. Well, let me know what you think. That's all I have for you. I like pickups like this, especially little small pet tents, because they make great adventure team shelters. If you like this video, make sure you click that like button. It really helps my channel out. And if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. I'll see you in the next video.